If you're looking for a multi-purpose cleaner for all kinds of surfaces, we've got a great one for you. All you need is water, Castile soap, lemon juice, baking soda, and peppermint or tea tree essential oil. Pour 2 cups of water into your bottle. It's the base for our super, all-purpose cleaner. Add 2 tablespoons of Castile soap. It gently cleanses and lifts dirt. Now, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for some grease-cutting power. 1 tablespoon of baking soda goes in for extra scrubbing strength. Finish with 2 drops of tea tree or peppermint oil for a refreshing aroma. Shake the sprayer to combine. Your all-purpose cleaner is ready. Spritz it on any surface and wipe it away. It's practical and leaves a pleasant scent. We've covered your kitchen, bathroom, floors, and more with our cheap and easy DIY cleaners. Now, enjoy a naturally clean and fresh home. Wow, we've done it! We've made our homes sparkle with all-natural homemade cleaners. Thanks for joining us on this green cleaning journey. If you love these DIY cleaning tips, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of natural cleaning with cheap, effective ingredients. We'd love to hear how these cleaners worked for you. Drop a comment below with your experience or any questions you might have. Thanks again for watching. Keep living clean and green, and we'll see you in the next one.